Look at her, sitting there like a tiny Zen-out Buddhist monk, completely at peace with the universe. Bluey is on, nobody screaming. You're finally in the kitchen, making dinner with both hands like a normal human being. For 10 minutes, you've hacked the system. You're winning at life. Then the episode ends. And you, in a moment of pure, unadulterated insanity, turn it off. In under 4 seconds, this child goes full exorcist. Tears, snot. The kind of floor-shaking scream that makes the neighbors wonder if you're running a goddamn human trafficking ring in the living room. You knew it was coming, but it still hits like a freight train. Because you didn't just turn off a cartoon. You just performed a nervous system amputation on a toddler with no anesthesia and a rusty butter knife. Don't get it twisted. Her brain just lost its dopamine supply cold turkey. She's not naughty, she's a junkie in withdrawal. And Bluey? To her, that dog didn't just go bye-bye. Bluey was murdered, and you're the hitman who pulled the trigger. So you do what every exhausted, soul-crushed parent does. You hand it back. Just to stop the noise. Congratulations. You just installed a software update in her downstairs brain. New rule: the louder she screams, the faster the Wi-Fi works. She didn't forget that. She never forgets that. Here's the move. First, ditch 5 more minutes. Stop talking to her like she's wearing a Rolex. Time is an abstract concept to someone who thinks the moon is following them home. Use a concrete finish line. When the credits roll, the iPad goes to the parking garage. She knows goodbye. She knows garage. 1 minute before the end, get down there. Ask her one question about the show. What is that dog wearing? You just forced her brain to switch lanes from zombie mode back to a human conversation. You built a bridge out of a cartoon dog back to planet Earth before you cut the power. If she melts down anyway, stop the reason war. Don't explain that dinner is ready, and don't try to win a debate with someone who's currently vibrating with primal rage. It's a waste of oxygen. Look at her. She's in an absolute trance. State the facts. You really want to keep watching, and it is time to stop. Then become furniture. Don't negotiate, don't beg. Her brain has left the building. Wait for the storm to pass like you're standing under an awning in a hurricane. And whatever you do, don't sneak kill the power. Turning it off from your phone like a digital ninja, that's an ambush. You just declared war on a human who has nothing to lose and infinite lung capacity. Good luck with that. Listen, the iPad isn't the enemy. It's your unpaid intern and the only one who works for snacks. She earns her keep so you don't end up in a psych ward. Just don't hand her the keys to the city every time she cries. Pull the plug with grace. Let Bluey rest. She'll be back tomorrow. She always comes back.